morning, guys. I'm just heating up some of the liver paste or liver pate from yesterday. I'm going to Natcha and Jason today. Just gotta wake up properly, but then I'll start heading off. Gotta help her with reinstalling Windows on her laptop, and gotta give Jason the toy that I repaired for him. And I think that's about it, probably. Oh yeah, I should probably check by my cousin's place to see if he has that soldering tin and the heat shrink as well. That's the final two things I need that I forgot to get from him. Or actually, he was using it at the time. But yeah, I'm going to Copenhagen today. Alright guys, freshly showered. I'm ready to head off now. I got a few things with me in the backpack. Going to catch a train now. Oh, this is the Denmark I remember. Oh my god, I haven't missed it. But I guess it's pretty beautiful even if it is cold. I'm gonna listen to The Man in the High Castle while traveling today. That's at least 2 hours getting in there and another 2 getting back. I may be able to listen to most of it actually. People scraping ice off their windows or trying to. Another reason I don't want a car. With a wheel I ain't gotta scrape shit off. But I also wouldn't want to park it outdoors. Smoking real quick. I was just listening to Man in the High Castle, but I'm gonna do some editing now. I got one of these boosters. I don't like energy drinks, but I love this stuff right here. Oh, time for editing.
Har du ikke set dem der med de der flotte fjer? Tivoli-katte? Nå, jo.
overmalet af futterne, så er jeg varme med virkelig.
Ja, der er også den der nye station inde i København, som er helt nybygget, som bare han slår af, fordi det tæller på. I stedet for en hovedbanegård. Men den er lige blevet bygget for sådan en måned siden, kom den i brug, og den er også bare dækket allerede. Også tunnelen der ude ved os, den lige er blevet bygget der, hvor man ikke kan køre igennem, den er også allerede med trafik på.
Ja. Forfærdeligt.
Okay. Reinstalling Windows on Natcha's computer. Let's do this. Here we go.
Here we go.
I brought this USB with me from Portugal with Windows 11 installation preloaded on it, so in case I got a laptop in the future or I needed to help anyone out, I could. And it proved to be important already. I'm pretty happy I brought it. I got the laptop fixed and I picked up a few things. Now I'm going back to Nyborg. Oh, it's cold. Get my glove back on. Check this out, guys. Here we go. I just got home, went over and got what I need to make homemade durum. I guess it's euros, but yeah. I got garlic sauce, I got some lettuce mix for cheap, only 5 krona. These are always cheap, 10, and this was 30. So a little more expensive than, well, basically more than twice as expensive as the dinner I normally get. But hey, I just had a craving, and this was for sale, and these were pretty cheap, so fuck it. Got a soda as well. Oh yeah, and I met Red. He said he'd call me or text me later. He might come over. Check it out, guys. You can't really see the meat, but it's in there. I just made enough so I could have 4 of these. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. The vegetables look amazing. The garlic sauce looks good. I tasted the meat already, it's good. Ah, let's go. I need this. Ah, I've been craving this so bad. Itadakimasu.